go do this, baby. My leg is kind of hurting. I'm dealing with some shin injury, so we're gonna take it nice and easy. They're snowing a bunch, which is so nice. This first video mic'd up. Hopefully I don't lose a mic today. That would really suck.
How's it going?
Not too bad. Oh,
Also,
sweet. Gotta take it nice and easy. Well, so far, feels not terrible. Ow. No, it kind of hurts, but oh yeah. Woo, it's kind of nice. Oh yeah, this is nice, dude. Oh my god. Oh, it is nice, but man, need this leg to chill out, bro. It's pretty nice, dude. Golly. Oh yeah. It's quite nice, dude. Pretty good. Let's try over here. See how this is. Whoa. Oh yeah. Wow. It is so nice. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. This is sick, dude. This is nice, man. Let's try in here. Oh yeah. Sick, bro. Yeah, dude. So sick. Yeah, this is nice, man. Feels good. Oh yeah, dude. Oh, that one hurt my leg. Thank you. Yeah, that one definitely killing my leg, man. Oh, I don't know how many laps I can do. This really sucks. My leg isn't feeling the greatest. It really does suck. The snow is just caked in my bindings. I just want to be able to ride hard, and I can't. Well, I'm just glad I'm out here. Taking a week off. I'm glad I'm just back riding. Let's try, we'll go down the face this run, see how that is. Does he have the Capita Mercury? Oh, he does. That's kind of sick. I like that board. Man, is it ever like a whiteout though? Holy God. You can't see anything. This is like big white. It's pretty sick that it filled in all the rocks. Pretty much almost. There's a little drop there, which is pretty cool. But all the snow is filling in the whole face, which is what we needed. All this was uncovered, man. Okay, let's try it. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, it hurts so bad. Come on. Oh man, I am struggling. I'm pretty sure it's shin splints I'm dealing with. Pretty sure that's what it is. Small little baby steps. Oh yeah, this feels actually great. Oh my God. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Hell yeah. Oh my God, let's go, dude. That is crazy. Oh, this is sick. That was sweet. Oh yeah, dude. That was fire, dude. Oh, this is what hurts. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. That one felt a little better on the legs. How's it going, man?
How's it going, bud?
Not too shabby. Yeah, that one felt really good. Maybe it just takes a couple laps. We might be in hope today. We might literally be in hope today, dude. Where did it come? Oh yeah, it was over here. That's right. That run was actually fun. I like that run. Tell me what you guys think also in the comments of how you like the mic'd up videos. I bet you they're gonna be 10 times better. Now that you guys can hear me talk clearly, I think it'll be pretty good. I think it's gonna up the quality of the videos quite a bit. Oh, I gotta push. Okay. Slowly but surely. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah, I can't do any tail presses. That hurts so bad. But in powder, it's actually quite nice. The moment I get on the groomed run where it's just resonating underfoot, hurts too bad. Let's try heaven. See how it is. Who knows? Might be the best run right now. With how the snow is. So far, it's feeling kind of nice. So far, I'm liking it. This is gonna be nice, I think. Let's go over here. Oh yeah, dude. Even though we got some moguls, it's okay. Wow! Ooh. Ouch. Ow. That one didn't feel too good. Let's try over here. Let's keep going deeper. See how this is. This might be pretty good. Not many people go over here. Look at all the little snowballs. Hello. It's okay. Little ice cookies underneath though. Oh my goodness. I saved that one. Holy, that could have been bad. My leg, man, just gave out. That scared me. Oh man, that scared me bad. Oh no, dude. Oh no. I just lost a GoPro. No way. Are you joking? Oh no. No way, I just lost the GoPro. Oh my god. You've got to be joking me, man. There's no way I just lost the GoPro. Please tell me it's up here. Ow. Please tell me the GoPro is up here. Please tell me. Oh my god. please. Oh no. Oh no, man. No. There's no way. There's no way. There's actually no way. I just did that. Oh my God. I'm panicking. Okay, calm down. Calm down. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna find the GoPro. Dude. Oh my God. There's no way. There's just no... How? I don't understand.
You good?
Yeah, my GoPro flew off. I cannot find it.
Oh, fuck.
Yep. No way, dude. Thank you. It has to be around here. It literally has to be. It literally has to be around here. There is no other explanation. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God! No way! Oh my God, let's go, dude. Oh my God! There's no way! I found it. Oh my God, I can't believe... Okay, let me show you guys. Oh, if I can stand up correctly. Wipe the lens off quickly so you can see. Okay, I have been looking. Look at all... I retraced everywhere. Like, I could not... I walked up here a little bit. I was looking for literally like 2 fucking hours. And I literally was just about to call it off and be like, oh, it's done. Like, not finding this thing. I look here. You guys are literally in this little hole. Oh my God. We're sending a prayer right now. Thank the Lord. Oh my God. I cannot believe I found you guys. Okay. That's it for this video. We're going home. That stressed me out. I was about to have a panic attack. We're gonna head out. Let's go home.